Can you open this? Yeah. Some rations. Alright, open this up. Come on. What's in here? Nothing? Oh, you can hide in there. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Anything in here? Oh, that's locked. Nope, I want to open this one. Yeah, there we go. Nothing in that one. Well, in this one. I don't want to hide on... Alright. Alright, that's locked. Got some ammo in here. Wow, there's a poster. It's hilarious. I like the stealthy aspect of this game. Alright. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm shooting at him. Oh, I got him. Okay, good. What about in here? It's locked, I guess. Yeah, it's locked. So we got some people there. Oh, I don't mean to do that. Oh, no, I didn't want to go back. I'm getting kind of used to the controls, but not all the way. Let's go across. Nothing out here.
Freeze.
Shot you in the leg. Okay.
Who's that?
Wait, he can get him back up. All right, get him down. Get down.
Requesting backup unit.
No. Get away. Alright, this is bad. Did you get him? Alright. Alright. Gotta get used to like the camera angles. Alright. Wait before I call you. I'll use this. Oh no, I died. Uh-huh.
What's going on? Snake! Snake!
I don't know how to play this game. I guess I'm doing okay. For my first time. I'm just not very good at the stealth thing. Let's try over here. Alright. Oh, there's a guy already asleep here. Wait, they're both already asleep? What? Okay. Ooh, she heal ourselves. How to use what's in our other hand? Oh, okay. That's how you use it. A. This is A. Press A button to use while having it selected in the window. I want to use this. Oh, when bleeding. I guess we can't use that. Alright, we use that. This way. We're figuring this out. Just gotta be stealthy. Thing in here. More stuff. I want some rations. Yeah, food. I always need to get to heal myself. Wait, haven't we been here? Yeah, I think we've been here. Alright. Yeah, we've been here before. What? It's kind of weird. I guess we gotta go a different way out. Any other way out of here? Oh, stairs. Yeah, there we go. Alright, this way. Alright, there's a dude there. Come on. Oh, he's going this way. Did I get him? Oh, I did. Alright. Let's wait. Let's go this way. This door. Oh, I can't go in that door. Let's go this way. Ooh, a ration? Can I have that? Did I get it? Yeah, I did. I can't see where I am. Alright, get up and let's go. I guess we're gonna go up those stairs. It's the only way to go, I think. Actually, right here. Let's try the stairs. Stairs seem promising. Oh, camera. Once you go in this field of view, your alarm will go off. You can't afford to be seen. You can also use the shaft grenade to set up some electric affairs. The camera will be ineffective for a while. There's a blind spot right beneath the camera. Use it to buy some time. What? Oh no. Get out of here. Ow. Get up, get up, get up. Run, run, run. Alright, get it downstairs. Alright. No one coming. Go upstairs.
Count at the end.
Oh, he's back. Get up. Get up. Ow. Alright, let's wait till it's gone again. Oh, he got up, back up again. Nope, another person. Come on. I got one guy. Oh, got the other. Let's just sit here, wait. This game. I'm getting used to it, like having to do this stealth mission. I'm just waiting until this goes off. No, increase security, no.
There's somebody there.
No! Oh. We shoot that. What do we have? What's this blind spot? We have nothing to use on this.
Return to your positions. Increase security. Understood. Search team to deck C. Secure the stairs.
All right, can I shoot this? Shoot this stupid camera? I can't. I don't think. Wait. Look up. Look up. I don't think I can do that. Alright. Can I punch it? Ooh, I can punch it. Yeah. Let's just try to, you know.
Attack team, withdraw and regroup.
Oh, we can do that. Oh, that's cool. All right, I'm learning. All right, let's go back here. Is there anything in here? No, I don't think so. Head upstairs. Crew's quarters. Alright, there's probably a ton of people here. Oh, there's a camera right there. The camera's like guarding a piece of ammo. Huh. I don't know, I should go for it, but I don't know. I don't think it's that worth it to get messed up by that. What? What was that?
Snake, respond.
What?
Snake!
Oh, I don't understand. Let's go get that ration. I'm taking this ration. I need to reload. Can I not reload? It says I have 61. Oh, they're empty magazines. I guess we're throwing these now. Can we throw them at the camera? Alright. That is not doing it. No! Ow. Oh, ow.